Sylvanian families have released these mini tradable jigsaws in Japan, and I had to get one. There's 8 different options, which are down each of the sides of the box, and on the back it has instructions. So I can get that open. And tip everything out. That's the design we've got. And here are the puzzle pieces. Ah, it's the one on the front of the box. That's fun. I'll get the paper pieces out first. That's the sticker. And this is for protection on the puzzle. But I have to put it together first. So I'll snip the bag. Great. I've sped this footage up by 25 times, but it took me about 4 minutes. And last piece. Done! The scene is of Freya and Creme, and there's some gold foiling on the flowers. And I can use the included sticker somewhere else, or maybe as a mini poster. This is my second of these jigsaws, and I think they're a fun little activity.